guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Destiny and I am here to get a quick video in while the sun is kind of shining so we don't have crazy artificial light like we had in my video right before this one. So this is a happy planner. It's actually my Memento Mori goal planner, and I feel really bad because I had the beautiful rainbow discs that she sent to me, but then for Christmas I got this like leather-like happy planner cover with these tortoiseshell extender discs. So I went ahead and changed them out so I can still use the Memento Mori gold planner while also using my Christmas gifts. So I wanted to go ahead and do a quick flip through of how January is doing because if you guys watched the lineup video of this planner, I did let you guys know that I'm not going to be doing weekly setups because this is for my goals, and I mean, I'm going to show you everything right now, but I didn't want it to be like really repetitive, and generally for my goals, I'm writing the same thing down every single day, and I'm messing around with a lot of my vertical sticker kits, which is why I'm really happy that Momokeen actually made a vertical planner version of this goal planner. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I did for January, and I will show you the first week of February so you guys can get a quick sneak peek. So for January prep, my focus was to save most of my paycheck, and the first like 2 weeks I did really good. And then I hit like the worst slump I have been in a very long time. Like it's January 29th, excuse me. And I, like, for the past 3 weeks, I've just been having the worst time, like one of the worst months that I've had in a really long time. So the first 2 weeks I was doing fantastic, and now I overdrafted my account, and I'm really upset about it. But yeah, what can I do about it? Heidi Summer's workout program, actually, I stayed with this longer than I did with savings, but the first 3 weeks of January I did pretty good. My biggest challenges was taking the chance at failing my goals. I did pick up a few things, and then I kind of went up and down with them, which I'll show you guys. I needed to let go of negative self-talk and my feeling of unworthiness. I didn't do either of those. I wanted to learn how to warm up and cool down. I also didn't do those. I hate warming up before a workout. I just want to get in and get it done, and then once I'm done, I'm like, I don't want to cool down. So I didn't do that either, and I did not do great on positive affirmations. I did not read this book because I thought I was going to do good. I started off great, and then I hit the slump, and then it all went downhill, and then I was like, well, what's the point of reading this book now? But I did do good on reading my Bible this month. And then here we go for the monthlies. I kind of put down the 3 things I wanted to focus on this month, and then I never checked back in with them. I'm not really good at using monthlies, I'm not gonna lie, but I did decide to use it as my word count for the day, and so the first 3 days of January were fantastic, and then I didn't write from the 4th all the way to the 25th. I wrote again on the 26th, and then I haven't written since. So I'm not very good at writing my novel, as you guys will see. I don't use this spread because my brain is not at the point where it will allow me to use it yet. I tried to use this spread again, but even last year, I'm not good at flipping back and forth. Normally my planner stays open on the weekly, and I never close this planner. It's always open on my desk. So I wasn't good. I was good the first few days of keeping up with this, and then I fell off. You guys saw I did 4 days of writing on my novel. I've been good at my YouTube channel. It's kind of a habit at this point to reply to comments, post at the end of every week, and then I'm doing this goal planner review right now, and then my budget video will be up in about 2 days because that's when I get paid tomorrow night. So yeah, most of this stuff has been done except for the workout. I fell off stretching, I fell off writing, you guys saw, but I have Bible studied every single day, so that is one habit that I am not letting go of. And then you guys saw the sneak peek of this first week. This is my first time ever using a vertical sticker kit, and I have like a kabajillion of them. Like, I don't know why in 2023 I was buying so many vertical sticker kits when I didn't even have a vertical planner, but Momokeen came through. Sorry, I just shook the camera. But Momokeen came through and she made a vertical planner, and I am in love with it. So this was the first week, me trying to figure out what I liked, what I enjoyed. And then I think in like the second week of January, I really hit my stride with the planning, and like this spread makes me so freaking happy. I am just so happy with how this looks. This checklist style of planning I got from the Tattooed Teacher Plans here on YouTube. If you guys want to check her out, she's actually using the Moxie Life Goal Planner, and she does like a dot with her zig dot marker, but she basically makes a list, and those are her goals for each day. And so I really enjoyed that, and I wanted to incorporate it into my planner. Of course, not everything is in a checklist. I still have some random things outside of the checklist, but essentially this planner is literally just for stuff that is going to be for my goals. So like Bible study is spiritual, cat litter cleaning, that is part of maintaining my home, arms and shoulders, like working out. So this is just like goals that I'm listing on here. The sun is kind of getting wonky. I hope this video is not going to be awful. And then here again is another spread that makes me so stinking happy. I really love how this came out. I am not a fan of the color pink whatsoever, but I still really enjoy this sticker kit because it's about planners, and so there's just like a lot of planning spreads and a desk layout, Happy Mail sticker kits. It's so cute. So this was the third week of January. This was last week. It was also really cute, but that was like last Monday. It's Monday right now, so I haven't worked out in a week. Hopefully today I will work out again to break that, but I didn't work out at all. This is really when I hit my slump with depression, and I really got down in the dumps, but I used a Happy Meal kit from Once More with Love because this was literally this past week was when I hit my moment of weakness, and I hit rock bottom with my depression, and so I resorted to buying a lot of crap. So I had a lot of Happy Mail coming in this week, so that is why I decided to use this kit. But again, I mostly was doing like checklist stuff to put my main goals for each day, and I really like how that came out. And then here is the review for January. If you guys want to pause this and read it, you are more than welcome to, but I don't want to bore you guys and go through everything I talked about. It was mainly just like reviewing on how awful I have been feeling with my depression and everything, and hopefully I can get back on track in February. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what I am hoping to focus on this month. I want to change my negative mindset because after coming out of January, it has been really, really bad, and I'm really, really struggling with my negative head. We're doing two Galentine things with my church with the ladies group this month, and hopefully I can get out of my depression and get myself out of the house to attend those two meetings, or like two get-togethers this month. My biggest challenges is the mental health attack that I've been going through and finding free time because my son has been really, really not great at napping and letting me have time to myself, and that I think that's really where my mental health took a downward spiral because the first 2 weeks my son was napping really well. I was able to get up after I put him down to bed for a few hours, and then about the second week of January he started waking up as soon as I left the bed, and so I haven't been getting any time to myself at all. And that's really hard for me because right now I'm a single mom because my husband is deployed, and so not getting even like 2 hours to myself a day has really been messing with my head. I want to let go of my bitterness and secluding myself and locking myself into my house and not going anywhere. I want to learn how to relax and be patient during the moments that I am not able to do what I want to do and moments that I'm not allowed to have time to myself because I am a mom and my son isn't doing it to be facetious. He's just doing it because he's a baby and he loves me. The books I'm reading is Twisted Love by, I think, Anna Huang, and let me just say, I thought that these were normal romance books. I'm not one, I don't read the back of the cover when I buy a book. I just see it, and if the cover intrigues me, then I'll buy the whole series if it's a series, or I'll buy the book if it's just one book. So I bought the entire series, and I think it was like chapter 3 or 4. I I'm not into like extremely smutty books, okay? So I'm not gonna lie, like, the plot is fantastic, like the actual plot with like what's going on with her family and what's going on with the guy's family, but like the sexual scenes, like, I'm not gonna lie, I could do without those chapters because they kind of make me a little bit uncomfortable, but I'm still reading it because, like I said, the plot has hooked me, like hooked me good. But during those specific chapters, I kind of just skip through them because I'm like, holy cannoli, I'm a little bit uncomfortable. And then I want to start Memory Lane, which is not going to be like this because it's a Christian fiction book. So it's not going to have all those smutty, uncomfortable moments. No judgment if that's something that you're into, but just me personally, I don't know, it kind of makes me a little uncomfortable. And then getting into the February monthly, I haven't filled it out yet. I'm still trying to decide if I want to fill it out. I don't want to waste any stickers and then never look back at this because I literally don't look at the month. I never do. So I'm not sure if I'm going to fill it out or not. If I do write my novel, though, I will still use this as a word tracker. I don't think I'm going to use this over here because I'm kind of doing a little bit of everything in my goals. I'm not focusing on 3 domains, which maybe I should. Maybe that's why I'm getting overwhelmed. But I'm kind of doing like 1 or 2 things for each goal. That's what the checklist on the weeklies is for, and that's working for me so far. So I'm not going to fill this out as of yet. But if I find out that I need it come the end of February, then I'll put it in for March. I'm not filling this out again because I'm not good at flipping back to this page. So I'm more of a weekly person. That's generally what I stick with. So here is your sneak peek of the first week of February. Since it is going into Valentine's, I didn't do an in-your-face Valentine's kit, but it has little hearts. Again, it's pink and I'm not a fan, but it has like hidden hearts and stuff all throughout it. So it's like a smidge of Valentine's getting into the first week of February. So this is what it is looking like this week. It is currently Monday, the 29th that I'm filming this, and I snuck in a TCMC order, okay? I know, what was it? It was the 20th whenever Helen did a TCMC release, and I didn't buy anything, and I was being strong, and I wasn't going to do it. But then I checked her website today, and literally everything, including the vinyls, as of right now, the 29th, they are still in stock, which is crazy because they're normally sold out in like a minute. So I'm just saying, if you want some TCMC stuff, the vinyls are still in stock. And so I had another moment of weakness, and so I purchased the stuff. I'm doing this monthly review right now. I wrote it on Tuesday, but I had some time right now, so I'm doing it right now. So yeah, there it is. That is my Memento Mori January review. Let me know if you guys like this style of video because I do want to share this planner with you because it is really beautiful and I'm really enjoying my sticker kits. So I do want to keep showing it off to you guys so that you guys can see it and maybe get some ideas and inspiration. And if you want to buy this planner yourself, I will link Momokeen's Etsy shop down below, and I will also link her channel because she used this planner last year and this year. Of course, it's her planner. So if you guys want to see how she's using it, she's using the original, the OG planner, not the vertical kit. So you guys could see which style you like and which one you want to use for you guys if you want to check it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that the sunshine went away like mid video, but hopefully it's still interesting and easy enough to see what is going on. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a like, consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!